Question 9. We are asked to plot the haemoglobin saturation data from Table 7 and use these points to sketch the full oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve for the horse and the mouse. So you are asked to do the full oxidation curve for this. So we need to look at the graph that we are given. They actually give us the axes that are labelled. So along the partial pressure of oxygen should go along the bottom. The percentage of saturation of haemoglobin should be along this axis, and it should go from 0 all the way up to 100. So you could go 0, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. It's only a suggestion using that particular scale. However, it should go from 0 to 100 for the full oxidation curve. The partial pressures we've been given, we know we need to go up to at least 6.5, and the range that they would like you to go along the bottom is from at least 0 to 8. We can see that 50% saturation should get us to 6.5, so we would expect 100% saturation to be higher. So we would expect, once we have plotted our data, we should have the partial pressure along the bottom, the percentage saturation of haemoglobin up to 100, and it should resemble a sigmoid shaped curve. So it should level off around about 100, but we should have plotted the points that we have that we've been given on our table. So overall, from the mark scheme, you get 1 mark for having the axes from 0 to 100 and from 1 to 8. You have another one for plotting the data correctly for the 50% and the 25%, and the third mark is because both of these curves should level off around about the partial pressures between 80 and 100.